Advanced manufacturing in Northeast Florida is thriving, growing, and in need of skilled, creative, and innovative talent. An industry that brings great diversity to this region's economy, advanced manufacturing is a lot like a transformer. There's more than meets the eye. Advanced manufacturing takes many shapes in our region. Most often, people view advanced manufacturing with a very narrow lens. Doing this means you're limiting the full range of opportunities available to you for a great career, as well as a solid paycheck. What is your perception of manufacturing? Today, we're going to dispel some ideas that you may have about the negative aspects of the industry and introduce or reinforce positive aspects of advanced manufacturing. Northeast Florida is one of the largest advanced manufacturing regions in the state. We have over 34,000 individuals employed in this industry in our region. The manufacturing industry is aging rapidly, with nearly 30% of workers over 55. What this means is you have an abundant opportunity in this industry because there is going to be a significant skills gap. If you enter into an apprenticeship or training program, you'll be well positioned to take these opportunities. Look at these top 5 industry careers. You may have already started developing skills that could be used in these careers in your CTE classrooms, maybe living on a farm or during a part-time job or internship. Think about how you could leverage these concrete skills into one of these occupations. The number on your screen is actually representative of the average earnings per job per year according to our regional data surrounding advanced manufacturing. There are job titles listed on the screen that you may not have considered as being a part of advanced manufacturing before, such as human resources, sales, and public relations. However, all of these skills are needed in advanced manufacturing. Additional jobs that may be of interest to you based on your skills are engineering, mechanic, machinist, and technician occupations. Individuals who like to create and innovate as well as design are also perfect for manufacturing. You can make sure food products meet safety standards, design a piece of farm equipment, or generate a new medical product. These developments have far-reaching social impact, so you can really make a difference that affects people. Advanced manufacturing extends far beyond an assembly line to make products that can truly help. If you're interested in seeing some particular stories of individuals who create and innovate within the manufacturing space, check out creatorswanted.org. Advanced manufacturing jobs also bring great value to our community, and they diversify our labor force even during a difficult economy. In fact, the National Association of Manufacturers says that for every dollar spent in manufacturing, an additional $1.81 is added to our economy. Aircraft manufacturing is a subset of advanced manufacturing, and continued growth is anticipated in this subset. Again, there are a lack of individuals entering this industry, so your skills are critically needed. Northeast Florida's footprint in aerospace continues to expand as well. We have unique assets because of our region's global accessibility and our central location within the U.S. aviation corridor. We have nearly 100 aviation-related companies operating here. As you see, we have over 1,100 manufacturing establishments here in our region, some of which are featured on the screen, and it also shows you the number of employees that they have. These numbers speak for themselves as far as recent announcements and new jobs. As you see, manufacturing is playing a significant role. Let's take a deeper dive into some of the companies that operate here in our Northeast Florida region. Kaman Industries, they're a global aerospace and industrial manufacturer and distributor. They actually began at our airport with 10 to 15 people here in Jacksonville, but as of 2016 had announced another 200 jobs. They create custom helicopters and helicopter parts. They have a very innovative helicopter design called the KMAX, and you could be part of creating these exclusive and innovative products. Another company in our region is VATCON in Green Cove Springs. They were founded locally in 1986. They are 100% employee owned and have a great focus on precision, power, and exclusive technology. VATCON has an international customer base, but local entities like JEA use their industrial equipment such as vacuum trucks. You've most likely seen their equipment on the road. They create the trucks and trailers from design through complete execution, and they also design and custom build hydro excavators for safe digging. Jinko Solar is relatively new, opening a plant in Jacksonville in early 2019. They're also an international company. They create solar panels in an almost entirely automated fashion. The plant is immaculately maintained. Robots do the heavy lifting. They are #1 in global shipments in the last 4 years, and their solar panels are found in more than 100 countries worldwide. So when you think about this kind of manufacturing, what kind of impact does the product itself have? Here's an example of a robot lifting one of the solar panels produced at Jinko Solar. Johnson & Johnson Vision Care is also here in Jacksonville. Some of you watching this today may actually wear contact lenses. This international company produces ophthalmic products, and they actually have an employee program where they will pay for your bachelor's degree. They also have a plant in Ireland. Here's an example of how no human hands are actually touching these contact lenses on the assembly line due to the level of technology and automation at J&J. BAE Systems is another advanced manufacturing company in our Jacksonville region. They conduct ship repair and create defense technology for the U.S. Navy. Again, the location of our region is ideal for this kind of work because there's a very strong military presence here. Imagine looking at this ship and saying, I helped to build that. You could create something like this. Georgia Pacific in Palatka works in pulp and paper to produce items like paper towels and toilet tissue. The mill is an excellent example of a sustainable company that benefits our region while they produce nationally renowned products. The mill and its surrounding industries provide jobs and has a significant economic impact for the region. There's also a great commitment to using renewable resources at Georgia Pacific, so you can feel good about working in this manufacturing. And how many people would have loved to have gotten their hands on one of these boxes during the height of the pandemic? Carlisle Interconnect Technologies creates products that are used in aerospace, military, and industrial applications. They manufacture high-performance wire and cable, which includes optical fiber. They also create high-strength conductive fiber made from Kevlar. Once again, the intersection of this industry with the military cannot be understated. And here's an example of one of their crew using technology. Again, all of your computer and IT classes in school can lead to a paycheck. You could work for a company that encourages innovative products and are used in many applications. Rulon International is next. If you like to design and appreciate functional architecture, you could work at Rulon. Design and install custom wood ceilings and wall panels, create these innovative custom designs. If these things sound interesting to you, you could work for this environmentally responsible manufacturing company. Here is an example of one of their ceilings. They install their products in a variety of locations like art centers, airports, libraries, museums, and classrooms. And again, this type of work blends a love of manufacturing, craftsmanship, creativity, and art. Medtronic manufactures reliable, safe, and high-quality medical and surgical equipment and supplies. Think about the importance of personal protective equipment. You could actually be part of creating those helpful products right here at home. Medtronic has a company culture which values employee ideas and looks to provide career advancement. Check out this slide with its emphasis on modern manufacturing skills. These skills were actually related to us from employers that were surveyed. These were the top skills they were looking for. Think about this. Have you been involved in a coding class or been involved in a robotics team? Note how these skills are seen as valuable by manufacturers, and it's because they are relying more on machine power than human power. They are utilizing and leveraging technology to implement efficiencies, so your skills could be a part of that. Also related as very important by employers in this region are soft skills. These are skills that are critical to a career and potential advancement. So think about how you can demonstrate these skills to an employer. And also, how could these skills help you become an entrepreneur in this industry? EarnUp.org is an amazing resource website for you to utilize to explore career pathway options, particularly in advanced manufacturing. It's available at EarnUp.org, and the focus is making sure that higher earning through higher learning is a priority of yours. We want to make sure that you're aware of all of the ways in which you can increase your level of skill and education after you graduate high school, so that can translate into wonderful job opportunities here in our region. Once you're on EarnUp.org, make sure you scroll over to the Career Pathways green rectangle and click on that, which will also take you to the Advanced Manufacturing portion of the website. Once you're on the Advanced Manufacturing section, you'll see that we have industry resources highlighted, which include a full industry report with great data, occupation and wage information, as well as some success stories, as well as a career pathway. We also have the Career Pathway standalone document available for you to view. You will see that this information is extremely instrumental in making some great decisions for yourself. The data that we use is based on what's going on right here in our region, as opposed to looking at the state of Florida or the United States data. Again, wanting to make sure that you have updated real-time data to make the best decisions for yourself. Looking at the pathway document, you can see that we've highlighted our state colleges and universities, so you can clearly see that you can obtain great skills right here at home that allow you to have some great economic and career mobility. You'll see there's an entry point with a high school diploma as well as corresponding jobs, and you can also see how you can ladder up all the way up through an advanced degree. This will show you, again, where you can obtain the education needed to then translate into some of these occupations as well as the corresponding average annual wages. Also keep in mind, a lot of employers are willing to work with you or even consider paying for some of your training if it relates directly to the goals of their company. Once you're at the bottom of the advanced manufacturing portion of the EarnUp.org website, you'll see some companies in the region. You can toggle right or left to learn more about these different companies. Simply click on the company logo and it will take you to that company page where you can further explore their products and services, learn more about their company culture, and even look at job opportunities. Another great opportunity here in our region is available to you through the IMT Apprenticeship Program through Florida Makes. This is the Industrial Manufacturing Technician Apprenticeship Program. IMT apprentices earn a living wage while learning new skills and credentials that will help them succeed in a high-demand career. Your tuition is actually paid for by your employer, and again, this allows you to learn and earn during this apprenticeship program. IMT articulates into 15 college credits you can also use to continue your education and pursue a degree. There's great flexibility to take classes online and on demand. So again, you're going to be learning under the guidance of an experienced journey worker. Your employer is making a time and financial investment in your future by paying for your tuition and fees, and you're employed on a full-time basis. So this is an excellent opportunity to consider if you're interested in advanced manufacturing. Once again, we want to encourage you to go to EarnUp.org to further explore the advanced manufacturing career pathway and all of the excellent opportunities available right here in Northeast Florida.